All right, so this is cabin number 1 at Cooper Lake State Park South Sulphur Unit. It's got 2 parking spots here. It's got a parking spot there. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm decided to take a video of it before I pack my stuff in there and everybody else shows up. Wait till you see the lake. Regular bathroom. Okay, the couch does not, I guess you could sleep on it. Yeah, little table, got that table. We'll go out there in a minute. Now here we got the kitchen. And in the kitchen you're gonna have a microwave. You got a little coffee pot over there. We got a regular refrigerator, freezer. Got our sink, and then it has a flat top, 1 big, 1 small burners. And then there's a second door. And then there's bed number 1, whatever size that is. Looks like a double maybe. There's the other one. Little table in the middle of it. Over here, we got that. What's this? Ah, the cleaning supplies. That's got to be what that is. Bring your own dishes. That's for sure. Completely. All right. Now let's go outside. There's a picnic table. Little grill. Got the little fire pit, and then we got the lake. Now we're here because we're gonna be fishing right there. Check that lake out. Cooper Lake. Very cool. Again, here it is. And I will let you know, to get down there, you have to go out the front door, and you're gonna come around and you're gonna walk up all that area to get there. That's, to me, was the negative of it. I'd really like to come out here and go back and forth without having to go through the front door. Anyway, that's what you got. Little cute cabin. Enjoy. Well, I'm just the first one here, but that's looking a lot better. It's looking a lot better. Get some stuff in here. So, here, let's go out here. Let me show you something. So on my main channel, Papa Texas, on this plow disc, check it out. We're gonna be making breakfast tacos and burritos on that tomorrow morning, chorizo. And over here, we got the Blackstone Adventure ready. I love this thing. All right, oh yeah, I got my riding tools in there, 17-inch. And what we're cooking in that is it called Oklahoma burgers or like onion burgers. We got a couple more people coming, so we got more food coming. Yeah. Hey, they got a broom. Another thing I'll let you know real quick, I brought my own box fan, but looky there. Yeah. Got one there. And then we got one there. That's right. We got any outlets? Okay, there's going to be an outlet back there. I think there's one back here, because last time I stayed here there was a TV right there. But let me tell you this. So I guess there's electricity somewhere in here. I guess behind there. There it is. And then in here, the only electricity I found was right there. And then out here, just to let you know, there is electricity right there. Got the outdoor broom. Got us a light. Hope I'm not making you throw up on there, moving around. And then we got an indoor broom right there. Yeah, it's kind of dark on me, ain't it? Oh, y'all look at the water, not me. So the good part, I'm usually the first one that gets to a site if we're close enough that we're taking more than one vehicle. And we debated this time because of those gas prices. We're an hour and a half away from this lake right here. Anyway, so the cool part is the toilet paper is extra thin, but I got a fluffy roll in my truck, so we're good there. But I put the text out. We need some ant spray. We need some wasp spray. There's a wasp over there up underneath that window, and then there's one over here playing around in the charcoal, and there's one down there. So we'll get that taken care of. And yeah, so like I said, the cool part is when there's a party ahead of another party, you can kind of go around and be like, oh man, I forgot an extension cord, or toilet paper's too thin. You know, things like that. I tell you what, with that thin toilet paper, I bet people don't steal rolls of toilet paper. Yeah, I don't think they would. Anyway, it is so quiet out here. So that's what I have for you on this one. Again, subscribe if you want to see me make breakfast tacos on the disco, or if you want me to see me make some smashed onion burgers on the Blackstone. Other than that, I think we're good. I think we're good. Alright. We did not bring computers. Besides filming like this, we're pretty much disconnected from the world. Yes, we do have phones, but we're just going to, besides the camera, we're just going to be free of all that, you know, and everybody needs a break like that. And that's what this one's about. Alright. If I think of something else, I'll be right back. Till then, it's Papa Texas. See ya.